Hi, my name is Peter Bruninger, and what's your name?
My name is Mark Williams.
Hi, Mark. What's your company?
Silnote Audio.
And where are you guys based out of?
We're based out of Boones Mill, Virginia, which is right outside of Roanoke, Virginia.
Okay. You're showing at the show this year.
We have a variety of our cables in. We use this system here to display all of our cables. We have the Orion M1 speaker cables in now. We're using the Icarus interconnects. We have the Orion M1 interconnects.
Wish you lots of luck at the Capitol Audio Fest, and we'll see you at all the shows going forward.
Well, thank you very much.
Very good, thanks. Silnote Audio. You get to hear it for yourself.
Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light. Jose's are over. You don't have to say your body through the night. Roxanne, you don't have to wear that dress tonight. What is for money? You don't care if it's wrong or if it's right. Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light. Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light. 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 I loved you since I knew you. I wouldn't talk down to you. I have to tell you just how I feel. I won't share you with another boy. I know my mind is made up, so put away your makeup. I've told you once, I won't tell you again. Is a crying away. Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light. Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light. 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 Put on put on the red light.
Great sound from Silnote.